It was a long day on the witness stand for medical expert Wayne Derman, who was the only witness who testified on day 37 of the Oscar Pistorius murder trial. Derman continued his testimony on the mental intricacies of people living with disabilities.
But the point I want to make is that it is not being disabled in only that situation where you do not have your legs or your prostheses on at night that one is affected by disability. It has a knock-on effect through one's entire function. And the saddest thing that I have learnt, my lady, in my experience of now 6 years working with athletes with disability, is that disability never sleeps. It's there when you go to sleep at night, and it's there when you wake up in the morning.
He then tried to clinically explain Pistorius' actions on the night of Reeva Steenkamp's death.
His version of having experienced auditory stimuli which he perceived to be life-threatening to both himself and Ms. Steenkamp resulted in a significant startle and a flight and fright response. As he is not able to flee due to his disability, his fight response dominates his behavior as it has in the past, and he approaches the perceived danger. Further sounds then lead to further fear-potentiated startles, and in the setting of the complexities mentioned above, resulted in an exaggerated fight response which culminated in this horrific tragedy.
Prosecutor Gedinel, however, questioned his objectivity and level of expertise, arguing doctors shouldn't testify in criminal cases about their private clients.
You said, my brief was to share my experiences with Mr. Pistorius. Now, those experiences with Mr. Pistorius, that would be character evidence and not expert evidence.
Your question, sir?
My question is, do you agree with me?
No, because it's in relevance, my knowledge of him, with respect to any of my knowledge in disabilities or the fact that I am a sport and exercise medicine physician who has knowledge of the other responses that might be in play here.
Now, have you ever given evidence in a criminal matter before?
Never, sir.
Good.
Nell then proceeded to challenge Derman's explanation as to Pistorius' actions on Valentine's Day last year. After a tug-of-war between Nell and Derman, which included numerous objections by the defence, Derman conceded that Pistorius intended to shoot at the perceived danger, which sparked his reaction.
You want to fit the facts into your version, because this question is easy, sir. Where are you standing? With everything you know, did the accused fire at the sound?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Deliberately fired at the sound.
Well, he fired at the sound.
Yes.
Nell then asked Judge Thokozile Masipa for court to be adjourned until Monday so that he could consult with a state psychiatrist. Further cross-examination of the sports medical expert is expected to continue on Monday. Nicolaides, Eyewitness News, Oscar Pistorius trial.